This is so going up on YouTube. He's just like, hey, that's my hummingbird feeder. Come on, little birdies. Come on, get your little self a drinky drink. I guess he went off. Ow. Anyway, guys, that's, that's what our hummies do all the time. Is they always are. Now, there's one that, oh look, he's back. He always like hangs out right there, and then once another hummy comes on, he strikes. Just like that. He's one tough cookie, and he will tell you that. He or she. Get out of here, wasp. But yeah, you guys see that green one right over there? That one. He likes to hang out right there and wait until somebody goes to the red one right over here. Or he'll get a drink just like he did. And he will, yeah, he'll basically do that. Ah! Fucking heck. Hard to maneuver a thing up here. There we go. And if you guys want to know, I'm recording this from my window, so. Hello, truck that just went by. Come on, little hummy. Get back on your little stool or whatever. Oh. You guys see? I mean, you can barely see him, but, I can't really get a good angle of him. Hi, Scout. Hi, babes. Yeah. But I'll just let you guys watch, because, I just wanted to clarify that those are hummingbirds. That's why I like to call them. Or hummingbirds, if, whatever you're from. But whatever, we call them hummingbirds. But this video will probably be put up tomorrow, which is today if you're seeing it. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy the cuteness of the hummingbirds and how they are, how they are with nature and stuff. Like, this, keep in mind, this is my mom's humming feed, so, I guess they just love it so much that one's just like, it's all mine, He'll come back, don't worry, he'll be back. This is such a cute idea. He's like Back off, it's mine. You see, guys? So territorial. Hello there, wasp. You're outside, so you can't sting me. Stupid wasp. But yeah, he just sits up there all day until the night falls, and then he goes right home. I guess this is considered his job, basically. Well, you do you, Hummingbird, you do you. But I mean, hey, he's done a good job. I find this quite adorable. But at least you guys got an image of what my house looks like from like the window, living room window. But I think that's enough recording. Oh, never mind. We'll maybe record one more fight and then, you know, it will end. Maybe. But yeah, guys, that's basically what happens when hummingbirds get, like, what's the word? They get territorial, as I would say. But yeah, guys, that's my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And this is Lady Lovelike, signing out. Peace.